What's going on, guys? It's Eric from Atypical Outdoors. We just got to the lake. Now, I want to give you guys a quick breakdown so you guys are not lost on what's going on today. First off, it's the full moon. Now, guys, with the full moon, you have an opportunity to catch a true giant. It's 3 times in which your odds increase for catching a giant fish. That is the new moon, the full moon, and prefrontal conditions. Pretty much meaning that right before you have a big storm, go fishing. Usually the fish are feeding up. Now, it's a couple of things going against us. We had rain last night, so the temperature has dropped. So hopefully that doesn't shut off these fish, because I want to catch a big one right before the year ends. Well, guys, let's get out there. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and let's go catch a big girl. Talk to you in a second. It'd be times my mom be like, "What are you doing?"
Days, that's when you catch the big one.
Yeah, I remember that one day me and Jared went out, man. We was like, I don't know what we doing out here, man. He was like, we gotta be idiots. It was like 36 degrees and slightly raining. They were schooling everywhere. Got them. Oh my God.
Right there at the bank.
Yeah, at the bank.
That's your damn first catch, good. Oh,
Second.
I fixed that, man. He got
Thought I was gone.
log.
It's a decent fish, man. The old trap, man.
Yep.
Just a mean little fish on the trap. That's it, like 5 feet off the bank. This rod, man, has so much gear.
Now, which one is that?
Your favorite?
Oh.
The glass rod? Yeah. Yeah, got one around the trout. Libbers crankbait all day for winter, man. One of the best baits. I thought I was gonna get messed up when he got wrapped around that.
I just know he's gonna pull off when I see him in the log.
Man, in my old days, man, I would have freaked out and just started pulling hard as I could when that fish got right there. But now,
That's when you'd have broke him off.
yeah, I would have broke them all. Now I have learned something, like, a lot of times they untangle themselves. Are you for real?
Yeah.
What?
Hey, what?
Something like that.
Good God.
Pouncing up.
How big was it, you think?
The crappie was like 6 inches.
Yeah.
Well, you know, I told you
God.
when come up was gonna eat that giant crappie. They're feeding.
That's crazy.
See that? You put it back in the water because he was chasing it. He came back and ate it.
If crappies are fighting, you bringing them in, that's drawing attention.
Because I saw the crappie, I was like, they ain't gonna pull it up. And then that fish ate it, I guess. Hey,
When you catch a crappie and put it under a float and let him struggle.
put a treble hook on the top of him.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna go back over there with that freaking glad, baby.
I think you do good with a crappie glide bait, too. Because, man, they're nailing it. Like I say, that 10-pounder was going to eat that crappie that day with me.
That's the same thing that happened to you, too?
Yeah.
We'll go see if I can catch that big fish. If you hear me scream, kill, you know what it is. He should at least follow it.
Yeah.
All right, guys, this is a breakdown so y'all know what's going on. 2 guys earlier caught a crappie. They had a giant bass come up and eat the crappie, they say, in excess of 8 pounds. So, me being me, I got a swim bait. We're gonna try to catch that fish. Oh, Kim. I got him to follow, Kim. He followed it. 7. Got him. Got him. Fat bass. Number 2. Look at that, guys. That fish ate that Libbers crankbait. Let's go. Well, guys, that's number 2 for today. The biggest thing so far has been this wind-blown bank. It is cold and windy, but one cool thing, I'm gonna try to show y'all this. all the bait fish have been pushed to this bank, so I think these fish are just sitting up here in this sun waiting for these bait fish and just chopping them off bit by bit. And also some huge crappie in this spot too. So let's get back to fishing. Oh man, Phil. Got him. No! At fish, like, sours look pretty good, man. But I just didn't get the hook in them good enough. Oh, it's schooling, Kim. Right here. They were schooling. I saw all the shad jumping. Then I saw the bass come out the water. Right here. They're definitely here. Got him that time. Good fish. Real good fish. Yeah. I think it's one of the schooling fish, because I saw him schooling. That's kicking up bait right there. Number 3 today. It's a chunky one counter, man. Yeah. Super chunky. I mean, they was kicking up bait fish all right here. And I saw a bass come out the water. Chunky bass, guys. Lipless crankbait doing damage. Huh? I think I got like 3. He got 2. Everything good with you, man?
Yes, sir.
Just cold, boy. I see you prepared, man.
You already know.